That should be recording now.
Okay.
This looks about right.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna get on in just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
So how's your guys' week been?
Pretty good.
Oh man.
That sucks.
I know it was not fun. I'm better now. I still have some congestion, but I'm okay now.
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah, it was.
Did anyone reply to the TA's email that she sent out?
Which one?
The one like she wants to meet, like to attend each of our one of our group meetings for the end of the semester.
Oh.
Well, that's nice.
Well, I didn't respond back to
I
that.
haven't responded to it.
Well, that's funny.
We need to plan out a really good one. That way, when they come and check us out, they'll be like,
we need to plan one that we're actually like on task the whole time.
We'll just get her to join one of our group quizzes one, so she'll just help us with the quiz.
Oh yeah.
How'd you guys do on the individual quizzes?
I got an 80.
Oh, I haven't even looked.
I need to check that right now. Group quiz, one more. I don't see it on here. Oh, here it is. 80.
80.
Mm-hmm. I was trying to get everything done this week because Sunday was my birthday, so I was like,
Oh yeah, you definitely don't want to miss that.
I was glad we didn't have an exam this week. I was like, oh, thank you. We don't have an exam. But this week we do. So
yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably be up in Cheyenne on Saturday working on my car.
Mm-hmm.
So that's not gonna be fun.
I got a 90 on the quiz.
That's awesome.
What'd you get, Kira?
I got 100.
Wow.
So,
I know, and I didn't even think I was gonna get it because I was like, there were a couple that I was like, I'm guessing on this because I have no idea. I like 2 of them. I felt like I did that, and I got 100, and I was like, holy crap!
There's this one. Let me look at it because there's this one I really had a hard time on.
Yeah, I don't know which one it was, but like there were 2 of them that I felt like I was like really not gonna do well on.
It looks like on 2B, I just like did some stupid mistake and did some simple math wrong or something.
Yeah, you know what it was? It was the one where I ended up where you had to like show your work of like the parabola or whatever.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
That was the one that I was pretty sure I was gonna get wrong, but I got it right, so that was cool.
Dang.
Oh yeah, that's the one I did too, and I got that one right.
I don't get you believe it. I was like, what the heck? It's crazy.
I don't remember that one at all.
It all blends together.
So I probably got that one wrong.
And this is our like second to last exam, isn't it? Do we have 5 exams?
Hmm?
Do we have 5 exams? or just 4?
We have 4A and 4B. 4B is in 2 weeks. And then we have the final.
And that's our last one.
Yeah.
Man, I hope it's not comprehensive. Holy cow.
I'm taking that one as early as I can so I could just leave.
Just be done.
Yeah, I'm taking the final as soon as it opens, and then I'm done.
Yep.
I have luckily I only have 4 finals.
Yeah, I only have 4 finals too, but most of them are math.
That
So
sucks.
I'll be so exhausted.
I have to write a whole research paper for my religion class, which is not going to be fun.
That sucks too.
Yeah. In statistics, we have to do like statistical analysis on something that we choose, and we chose to weigh the different amount of water bottles against different brands. So we have 4 different brands of water bottles, and we have 60 of each one. And so I'm weighing Dasani. One of my members is doing Aquafina, stuff like that. And we're gonna see if they're all similar or different. But we have to see the differences because we have to do a type 2. It's called a type 2 paired t-test. Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
That's why I don't like statistics.
Yeah. It's actually not that bad, but it's challenging for sure.
So by doing your thing, you can figure out which one has the more fluid ounces, and then figure out which price is better. And yes, you could say
Yeah. So we're trying to figure out if their fluid ounces are really what they say they are on the package. How some of them say 16 ounces or 22 ounces. We all got 16-ounce bottles, and we're gonna see how much how close to 16 ounces they really are.
Okay.
And then we have to do the statistical area under the curve of the T-score. So that's the hard part right there, is that whole calculation.
Yeah, that probably will be hard.
Yeah. And then we have to find our margin of error, which is also going to be a little bit tough, but
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely the hardest. Margin of error sucks.
I don't really know what that is, so it just sounds bad.
It's not fun.
I just know it with engineering stuff. Margin of error is usually 3,000ths of an inch, something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one, it does get pretty close because it has to equal 0 or 1 under the curve. And it can't be less than 0, and it can't be more than 1. So you have to get it super close. And some of them get super close, 0.99. Or some of them are so far below 0 that it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you're I did something wrong because you get these terms that you're that can't be right.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I was just wondering if any of you have worked on any of this stuff yet? Or
Yeah.
can you guys explain it? Because I haven't looked at it really. I haven't really opened it at all today. I've been sleeping all day.
So it's like the
Me too.
it's like the A plus B kind of how you find how we were finding the angles of alpha and beta.
Oh.
It's kind of like that, except you're just finding the degrees. So say you have sine 12 degrees and then sine 5 degrees. You have to do an equation of sine 12 sine 5, and then it's parentheses A plus B. parentheses, right? And then you put the a plus b under the square root. So a equals the square root of a plus b squared. And then you get like a thing, and then you have to do like the inverse cosine to find what it's equal to. And then there's like, you have to like write out the equation is what it wants the answers for. It's like the equation that it changed into.
Okay.
It's like kind of changing it into like standard.
So it's like converting it back to standard.
Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but with like square roots and stuff. Because
That sounds
apparently
fun.
you need square roots to do everything with angles and everything like that.
That's really good point.
Like, do you guys ever look at the examples of the problems on the homework stuff? Like, you go to the homework and you're like, show me an example of this problem.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you look at that, it's pretty easy to figure out from there.
okay. I usually use that thing a lot.
I do too.
Yeah, I use that thing all the time because it explains it a lot better than the book
In
does.
the book, exactly. The book is just like this and this and this, and I'm like, I don't know what you mean.
And you're like, now how does that apply to anything that we're doing?
Right? Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah. Yeah, no, the example. I wish that my other class had the examples like that because I feel like I would be getting way better grades if I actually knew what I was doing like beforehand and following it and figuring it out.
That's why I'm excited to have all on-campus classes next semester.
Oh, that will be nice.
Oh, did you register for classes already?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
I was able to register on the 16th.
Oh, you guys are so like young. I love it.
Shush. That's what a mission does. It puts
I
you
know.
back
I
a couple
got
years.
to register the first day it was open.
Oh wow.
Shush.
That's only because I'm going to graduate next semester.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, this class put me at 20 credits.
Wow,
Really?
that's awesome. Good deal.
And this is my second. Like, I've only done one on-campus semester. So,
And
after next semester, I'm going to be at 36 credits.
Oh, you're taking 16 credits
Yeah.
this semester?
Yep.
Holy crap. I
Yeah.
took 15 last semester. And it was enough. I don't think I'll ever do that again.
I'm not excited to come back to school because when I come back to school, I'm not going to leave school for a long time just because. So I'm going to have fall, winter. I have to override to spring.
Oh my goodness.
Then I'll have hopefully I'll have a little internship during the summer. Then I have to come back for fall, winter, and then I get a break. Then I'll probably do like a work.
Yeah.
It actually goes faster than you think it does.
I'm going to be spring, fall, and then I'm going to try and switch tracks to fall, winter because civil engineering, there are required classes that you have to take during the winter semester. I'm going to try and switch that. So I'm going to be fall, winter, spring if it all works out.
Dang.
Oh, that's crazy. Fall, winter, spring. Interesting. Except I think that's the track that I'm on right now is fall, winter, spring.
Well, like, I'm going to try and switch to fall, winter. So the spring semester will probably be the last spring semester that I ever take.
Oh, I see.
And that'll be fall, winter.
Fall, winter. Okay. Yeah, no, I didn't take the spring semester last year because I was in Thailand doing like humanitarian stuff. That was super fun. Wish I could do that again, but I need to finish school first. Because if I didn't take that spring off, I would be done this semester.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So, let's start the group thing. Weeks.
Yeah.
So, where do we want to start from? I don't know where to start from. I really don't know. Where's the best place?
There's like preparation activities, I guess, that we could do.
Say that again?
Preparation activities.
Yeah.
Okay.
These first two problems are what the homework look like.
On the preparation page?
Yeah.
Okay, so like begin by reviewing the product to sum and sum to product identities.
Mm-hmm.
Notice that you do not have to have any of them memorized or even recommended that you recommended that you memorize.
Thank
you. Oh my goodness, I'll be right back. So it says, begin by reviewing the product to sum the product identities. Notice that that you do not have to have any of these memorized or even recommended that you memorize. The power reducing identities are used heavily in calculus, so we provided them for your convenience. So, is that in like the learning where it talks about the product to sum and sum to product?
Yeah.
Okay. Then the second one says rewrite the following expressions using either the product to sum or sum to product identity. Simplify if possible. Cosine 34 degrees, cosine 39 degrees. And then the second one is sine 3x plus sine 5x. Sum.
So I guess with the sum to product identity, oh yeah, here's the equation. It's sine A sine B equals 1/2 bracket cosine parenthesis A minus B parenthesis minus B, parenthesis A plus B bracket.
Okay.
Yeah. And then with that, you just kind of work through it, which is, like you plug in.
Yeah.
Like a jug.
And you know what I wish I had? Like on Khan Academy, how he can like write stuff and like make it look super neat and awesome. That's what I had. Oh my gosh, I wish
Probably
I
has
had
a
that.
sketch pad.
He probably does, and I wish I had that.
You know those giant boards that you have in our high school? They had these giant boards. It's like a magic board, but you write on it and it puts on the screen. Yeah, it's like a smart board.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Yeah, they were awesome. I like those a lot. They helped a lot.
Yeah.
I have better handwriting on those things than trying to use my finger.
I never used them. My teachers used them, but I never used them.
Yeah. So let's see. Work this out.
Oops. It's just sign negative one.
Yeah, I was shutting the water off and making home. Oh, okay, you know.
Okay, so for that first one of the cosines, I got 1/2 cosine 1 minus cosine 69 for the product of sum identity. Oh, just kidding. Totally put in 35 instead of 39, so give me 2 seconds and I'll redo this.
Okay.
Whoops.
I'm having a hard time with this one.
That would make a lot more sense. Okay. 73. And 5. Okay, so just kidding. Now I got 1/2. Cosine 5. Minus 3. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, like the way I guess it's supposed to be rewritten on here. For product stuff.
it's supposed to be plus.
Oh, you're right. There is a plus in there. And because the 73 is positive, you're correct.
Even if it was negative, cosine's an even function, so it's going to be plus.
So it's plus, yeah, you're right. That's why, like, you get a negative 5 right there, but it changes to a positive 5 because
Right.
cosine is an even function, yeah.
There's only 10 questions.
Oh, on this, yeah.
That's pretty easy.
I know, it's very nice.
Yeah. I'm really tired.
Me too.
Oh, man. Guys, my penguins lost to the Islanders.
Dang it.
Don't worry, the The Stars lost to the Capitals.
Yeah, I'm not that
Avalanche
surprised.
are beating the Blackhawks.
That frustrated me. I was like, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Through
Man,
the
I
floor.
hate the Islanders. I hate the Islanders probably more than any other team.
Avalanche are beating the Blackhawks 3-1 with 19 left in the third period.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, the Blue Jackets won the Rangers though. That's good. Rangers are they're fine.
Nathan McKinnon had 2 assists, and he's
really?
the top scorer. Yeah,
Wow.
he's the top scoring player on the Avalanche.
Wow, that's cool. That's awesome. It looks like the Capitals are in the top of the Metropolitan Division. Oh my gosh, the Pens are right behind them. Wow, with that kind of like opening, like they had a crap opening season too. Oh my gosh. But they lost to the Islanders. Wow, the Avalanche are actually doing like pretty good this year.
Yeah.
They're like solidly in the middle. Oh my gosh, better than the Blackhawks.
Yeah, they're beating the Blackhawks.
Yeah, the Blackhawks are down at the bottom. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. The Lightning are at the top of the Atlantic Division. That's crazy. Because it's usually like the Bruins or the Senators.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, that's nuts. Well, Rangers will go to the Cup.
Yeah, so the top scorer for the Avalanche has 89 points this year.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
And he's tied for second in the league for scoring.
Wow, that's incredible, actually.
Yeah.
Especially because, like, I mean, nothing against the Avalanche, but they're the Avalanche, unfortunately.
Last year they were bottom of the league.
Yeah.
They had a total of 50 points last year.
Holy cow, the Blackhawks must be really having a bad year. Because that's amazing. I don't think they've been at the bottom for years.
Yeah.
Man, I might have to watch that game. And then they play the Golden Knights on Saturday. I love the Golden Knights. That's what I brought my brother tickets to the Golden Knights and the Penguins game over Christmas. Christmas present.
This thing's here because we have NHL TV, so we can watch all the games. But we can't watch the Golden Knights here because it's in our area. So
it's lucky for you, because like we can see like
I'm gonna get NHL All Access.
Yeah, except they still black out. Just to let you know.
Yeah.
Especially if you like
Idaho, so I won't be in the Colorado area.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so they black out most of the Eastern Conference stuff until the day after, or even 2 days after if it's a big game. Which is dumb. So a lot of the times we don't even get to see the Pens play on the day they play.
Oh dang, those things.
Yeah, and you know, it's like $150, you know?
Yeah.
And they still black out the game.
Really?
Yep. However, I get like all the counts, so like I can see the sharks and the kings, and I can see the golden knights just fine, and the avalanche just fine, and the wild.
All I need is something that'll play altitude sports, honestly.
Yeah.
'Cause that's the channel Avalanche are on.
Yeah. Man. But yeah, it's like kind of worth it because you get a lot of the like post game stuff and a lot more statistical stuff if you're like into that. But if you're just into watching games with like your favorite teams and you like teams on the East Coast or even in the Metropolitan Division, you're not gonna see most of them the day of, which is crap.
See, that's why you go with the Central Division.
Yeah, Central indeed. Or Pacific.
Yeah.
Most people like the Sharks. Kings aren't bad.
I'm a Ducks fan just because I served in that mission.
Can you guys hear that too, or is it just me?
I heard that too.
Okay.
I feel like if you talk to anybody who does what's really crazy is I'll have to see if I can become a Bruins fan by next year because I'm moving to Boston.
Dang.
Shoot.
Yeah.
I mean,
but I don't like their goalie.
they're having a pretty good season this season. So.
Yeah, they're right below the Lightning in the Eastern Conference.
Yeah, and the Lightning's top.
Which is crazy. I can't believe the Lightning's tops.
Yeah. Well, they have the head scorer too in the league.
Yeah. Yeah. Crazy. My brother and I have this running joke though, because Rick Nash, he plays for the Bruins. He like falls down the most out of like anybody we've ever watched play hockey. He falls down.
He flops
The most. Oh, it's so funny. And so every time like we see someone fall down, we're like, "Is that Nash? That's Nash, huh?" It's like 90% of the time it is.
That's hilarious.
It's so funny. I can't believe he falls down as much as he does.
That's really funny.
Hilarious. It's just ridiculous. Chara. Everybody else is okay. Chara is like that 7-foot guy. He's like 7 foot, like 2 inches or something. Okay, no, just kidding. He's like exactly 7 foot. Holy cow.
That's way too tall. Are we going to work on our mouth or are we just going to talk? Because if we're just going to talk, I'm going to get off.
Yeah, I was going to say.
I need
Is
sleep.
everybody done with the problem? That's really what I wanted to. What the heck?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Let's call it then.
Yep.
Cool.
Right. Bye, guys.
See you guys.
See y'all Thursday.
Thursday.